Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pudding custard step by step. Whisk egg yolks with sugar until pale and smooth, then slowly temper with warm milk. Cook gently while stirring constantly until the mixture coats the back of a spoon. Remove from heat and strain for extra silkiness, then chill or serve warm with a sprinkle of nutmeg or fresh fruit for a simple finish. Gather whole milk, egg yolks, sugar, and your chosen flavoring like vanilla or lemon zest. Use 3 tablespoons of sugar per yolk for a balanced custard sweetness. Warm the milk gently while whisking yolks and sugar, then temper slowly to combine without scrambling. Cook on low heat until it thickens to coat a spoon, then cool slightly before straining into a serving dish or ramekins for a creamy, set dessert. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more cozy recipes. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make storing pudding custard a breeze and prevent spills when transporting desserts to gatherings. They're great for portioning servings and keeping toppings separate until ready to eat. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you pick one up, it's a tiny kitchen win. Now let's get back to the video. Keep your technique gentle. Tempering prevents curdling and constant stirring prevents lumps and hot spots. Use a wooden spoon or silicone spatula and cook on the lowest heat that still thickens the custard. Once it coats the back of a spoon, remove it immediately and strain through a fine sieve for perfect silkiness. Chill uncovered until slightly cool, then cover and refrigerate to finish setting for a creamy, reliable pudding custard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.